Hey guys, it's George here. I'm going to go over the awesome weight and fitness tracker for year 2023. So let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and enter our goal weight. For this example, that's going to be 130 pounds. And I'm going to go ahead and copy that all the way down. You could change that weight, the goal weight during the year if you want, but for this example, I'm just going to keep it at 130 pounds. And to the right here, we have a chart that shows our goal weight and our actual weight. So we just entered our goal weight, and that's the orange line. That's going throughout the whole year. These are numbers here represent the week of the year. So if I scroll down here, we can see here that the months are stacked on top of each other. So you have the entire year of 2023 there. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to mark using this calendar legend whether you completed your workout plan or not. So the green represents that you exercise on a day scheduled. The red means that you didn't exercise on an originally scheduled day. And the yellow represents that you exercise in a day not originally scheduled. So where do you schedule your fitness events? You're going to use these monthly calendars right here. I'm going to tab over to this January. Here's an example of February, and here's the month of March. So I've filled in some sample data, but these will come blank, so you can enter your own workout plans. It's really easy to enter the information. You just type it directly in the cells. You can also just copy the information if your workout routine stays the same. So in the month of January here, I have on Monday the 2nd, I plan to walk. And then on Wednesday, I plan kickboxing. And then on Friday, I plan bicycling. Let's go back over to the main worksheet. And on the 2nd here, let's say that we completed that activity. So let's go ahead and mark that in green. On Wednesday, we completed that. And on Friday, we completed that. So at the end of the week, you can enter your actual weight. So we'll say that that is 150 pounds. So let's say that we went ahead and completed those other scheduled activities in that calendar for a couple of weeks. Let's say on the 6th, on that particular day, we missed that. So we can go ahead and mark that in red. And let's say that they completed the exercises for the last 2 days of that week. So at the end of each of those weeks, you would have entered your actual weight. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And you can see here the chart, the green represents your actual weight, and that's starting to fill in there. So let's go ahead to a completed one with all the actual weight and the exercise plans filled in. So you can see here what it looks like when it's totally filled in. You could see at the chart, our weight started out at about 150 pounds, and towards the middle of the year, we worked our way towards our ideal goal weight. And I'll scroll down here to show you what it looks like. And I'm also going to shrink the screen here so that you can see the entire sheet. So that's what it's going to look like. You can see here throughout the whole year, there were just a few days that were missed for working out. And then here, there was a makeup day. So that's how you use this main worksheet here. The other sheet that I want to talk about is the full year calendar view. This has all months on a single sheet. And this you could use for like special fitness events. For example, here I have a 3K walk, a 5K run that you want to plan for throughout the entire calendar year. There's also another view that you can do if you want to put notes on the side. And it's really easy to print it. You just go to File, Print, and you can see the entire calendar on a single sheet. We could do that for the monthly view also, where you schedule out your fitness events. That's what that would look like on a single sheet. And then you could do it for the main worksheet. And that's what it would look like on a single page. So that's a brief overview of George's fitness and weight tracker for year 2023.